there's been a few snow flurries up here. Whether we'll get any tonight, I do not know, but we'll wait and see till the morning. So I'll just swing you around to show you there isn't much of a sunset, but to show you the view. Good evening from King's Store on Dartmoor. I'm doing a one-nighter. My God, it's going to be a cold one-nighter. It's going to be a long, hard one-nighter. It's we've had snow showers. They forecast more during the night. The wind is howling. It's a lazy wind. It just goes right through you. It don't want to walk. You don't want to go around you. It cuts you in half when you're out there. It's really cold. But me and Tufty Ted, we just like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you to all the subscribers who supported me and supported my channel, and for all your lovely comments. Thanks again. I do appreciate it, and hopefully more wild camping to come in the near future. So thanks again, and enjoy yourselves, and hope you have a good one. See you soon. Cheers for now. Bye. Morning everyone. Well, I don't think there's going to be much of a sunrise, so but things change very quickly. But there's quite a huge blanket of cloud on Dartmoor. The night was absolutely bitter. I wasn't too bad in my sleeping bag, but it was really bitter. A lot of condensation in my tent, which wasn't surprising with it being so cold outside, and I couldn't really open the vent because of the wind and the cold. But hopefully the sun might come out actually by the looking of it, but it won't be very much. The wind's calmed down now, so I'm just going to look around and see what I can photograph. So speak to you later. Cheers for now. Bye. Welcome back. I'm at the bottom of King's Store at the moment, and this is the old railway line where the steam trains used to travel along from between Princetown and Plymouth. Used to come from Plymouth, stop at Yeovilton, Dowsland, come along bottom of Ingertor, at the bottom of the quarry over there. Used to come along here, go around the back of King's Store to Fogintor, and then back to Princetown. It was a passenger train, and also it was the train for the quarries, where they used to load up the granite and then transport it back to Plymouth, where it used to be transported all over the world. So it brings back a lot of memories for me, as I lived in Horrobridge. And I used to look out my window and I could see the steam trains, just like Indian smoke, going around Ingertor and along this track here. And now it's a cycle track. So this is another area where it brings back memories for me. And you just have to stand here for 5 or 10 minutes, which I was doing before I started filming this track. And you could literally hear the steam train coming along here. Anyway, I'll speak to you later. Bye. Welcome back. Welcome back. Over here is Vixen Tool, and as I pan around, this is the Walkham Valley down there. beyond there, over there. And over there is Horror Bridge. And then you swing around to right over in the distance. Over there is PQ and Sharpie Tool.